Hi, I'm Avyak from Heltar AI. We're building a true AI tech worker that takes away the extremely tedious pain of using existing platforms to automate business communications. We spoke to 10 plus enterprises and 100 plus SMBs. The average enterprise is spending, believe it or not, thousands of hours every month building bots, marketing journeys, sales journeys, and support journeys over communication channels like WhatsApp, etc. A new and powerful channel which hasn't been tapped into effectively yet. The companies we spoke to are spending anywhere from 50k to 5 million USD annually on the WhatsApp API. Business communication software hasn't fundamentally changed for the past 25 years. They're effort intensive and require a lot of dedicated work, with dedicated people doing it, when frankly they should be doing something much better with their time. AI should completely replace the painful drag and drop, hybridized with mind-numbing basic API connector code that creates a Frankenstein monster of technical debt in companies which no one is able to unravel later. People are wasting their lives writing this sort of trash. We're building what we believe is the next paradigm in the business communication and automation space. Let's see Heltar AI in action. This is a demo of a WhatsApp native app for Vodafone Idea. An app frankly I would never want to download on my phone. I can do anything I can do with the normal Vodafone Idea app here, recharge, check my balance, etc. I click on recharge and I can top up my balance. I select my recharge pack and put it in. I get the Razorpay link, that's it, easy. Let's see how Heltar's AI software engineer would make this app. Here, Heltar builds the app screens one at a time and does logical routing for those screens, just like how a human Android or iOS engineer would do it. Heltar also connects the relevant APIs to create a fully functioning app in minutes. Drag and drop interfaces are a very painful way of creating bots. Here, Heltar is agentically creating a chatbot flow. This is a demo bot for someone like an urban company where the user sends in a photo of their leaking faucet and they need to book a plumber appointment. You can see Heltar intelligently decides to incorporate various APIs and tools as it builds the flow. For example, calling the OpenAI API for analyzing user images, integrated voice calling, urban company API for slots, Razorpay API, webhook block to wait for confirmation from Razorpay. All of this is done in minutes, saving hundreds of hours and with a fully editable no-code builder. Heltar intelligently suggests the agents with completions that are much more advanced than vanilla autocomplete. Heltar learns from all the millions of customer interactions constantly. So here's an example of a query where Heltar detected it didn't have enough knowledge to answer a user query, and Pulkit, a human agent, answers the query. See what happens the next time a user asks a similar question. This creates an agentic system that learns from all the employees in an organization. If there could be hundreds of employees and the system would keep learning, automatically discarding knowledge that is low quality, and soon Heltar becomes the smartest employee in the organization with a deep understanding of the company, like the indispensable employee who's been working there for 10 years. It collects all useful documents, PDFs, PPTs, and also incorporates agentic actions like scheduling meetings, etc. Not just vanilla text-based agent assist. Customer support is notorious for high attrition due to the stressful nature of the job. This ensures very quick training for new agents and no institutional knowledge loss if someone quits. This is just the start. Our product is the dumbest and most buggy it will ever be. We're working with some of the brightest engineers and are always on the lookout for more brilliant people to come work with us to build the smartest, most effortless business communication platform ever. Super excited about the future.